Smart contracts can be really complicated. In order to write a simple agreement where one person pays another based on some condition, you must use a specialised language like Solidity. Therefore, you have to deal with a variety of complexities, such as gas usage, contract deployment, re-entrancy attacks, etc. If an agreement depends on external data from the Web 2 world, you must set up a chain-linked decentralized Oracle network to fetch the data to avoid having to rely on centralized infrastructure. But what if you could create a trustless agreement using only JavaScript?
Let's say you want to make a gaming agreement with a friend where you pay 5 Matic if they win a round of Battle Royale in Call of Duty Warzone. To do this, just write some JavaScript that uses the match ID variable and queries the COD leaderboards for the results. If the code verifies that your friend's username won, it will return a value that indicates the amount which will be transferred from the agreement contract to your friend's wallet in Way. Now the agreement can be minted on uapp.link. First connect your wallet, input your friend's address and the required match ID input variable. Set the expiration date and the maximum payout. The agreement can now be funded and deployed using a single payable transaction. When your friend connects their wallet, they can view the agreement code which has been uploaded to IPFS. They can then redeem the agreement by entering the ID of their winning match and sending some link to pay for the cost of the Oracle request. Once the Oracle network confirms the redemption, the reward is paid. Another potential application is for social good, such as enforced donation matching to encourage donations on Web 2 platforms. For example, this script scrapes data from a GoFundMe campaign and matches a dollar amount in Matic for the beneficiary to redeem. Since this protocol is secured by a decentralized network, it can also be used to lock up much more value across DeFi. In this agreement, the price of Bitcoin is calculated using 3 sources to ensure accuracy and reliability. The redeemer is then paid based on the price increase of Bitcoin from $20,000 at the time of redemption multiplied by some coefficient.
This platform also allows for using private values when redeeming an agreement via off-chain secret sharing. Say an advertiser wants to pay a social media influencer for using a certain hashtag. If the influencer prefers not to reveal which tweet was sponsored, the tweet ID could be marked as private. Upon redemption, the tweet ID is only shared with the Chainlink nodes and is not written on-chain. The nodes run the script, which verifies the influencer's username with a salted hash and calculates the amount earned based on the number of likes. By using a salted hash, a third party is unable to determine who the deal was issued to by only viewing the agreement script on IPFS. The agreement smart contract implements the ERC 721 NFT standard, enabling a future marketplace for all agreements. Redeemers are the owners of the NFT and can send or trade it with any account unless it's explicitly marked as soulbound and non-tradable. This means one friend could create a contract locking up $100 and sell it to a friend for $50, creating a $50 bet between the two parties. Or a financial institution could use it to trade derivative DeFi agreements. All of this is made possible using the Universal Adapter, which is an open source project that enables generalized computation to be performed on a decentralized Oracle network. When a request is sent to the Oracle network, each node fetches the reference JavaScript code from IPFS. The nodes then each execute the code in an isolated function-as-a-service container, aggregating the results on-chain. When a threshold number of responses have been received, the median value is returned to the requesting smart contract via a callback.
Currently, the Universal Adapter protocol is live on Mumbai testnet with 3 Oracle nodes. The protocol can support up to 255 participating nodes. We highly encourage all hackathon participants and judges to deploy an agreement themselves. Remember that your JavaScript code is wrapped in an async function before it is executed. Please check out the example scripts linked in the description to see how to write your own. Thank you for listening, and please do go check out the Universal Adapter protocol at uapp.link to create your own decentralized agreements.